Just one look at this colorful concoction and you know you'll want to create this Peeps Infused Vodka with the power of Easter's most famous candy. So let's hop to it. Place 10 yellow marshmallow chicks in a glass container, or try marshmallow bunnies in other colors. Pour one 750 milliliter bottle of vodka over the marshmallows and stir. Allow to sit until the colored coating of marshmallows is dissolved into the vodka, and the marshmallows themselves are mostly dissolved. For a sweeter vodka, this will take 3 days. For a less sweet version, 2 days should be enough. Okay, now strain the marshmallow pieces out of the vodka and pour the Peeps Infused Vodka back into the bottle or a different airtight container to store. Add Peeps Infused Vodka to your favorite cocktail. The yellow color fits right in with a lemon drop martini. And don't forget to garnish with an extra Peep.